Welcome to Namotu Island, Fiji's world-class destination for water sports and sports experiences with easy access to Fiji's premier surf breaks and fishing grounds. Crystal clear water, happy locals with an abundance of camaraderie, and a destination that is a privilege to step foot on. In this episode, we're fishing the local grounds for table fish, whilst having the occasional topwater cast to hype up our afternoons. This is Namotu Island, and this video is worth sticking around for.
G'day Wallaby Dick. I've spawned at Namotu Island to the best sunset and the best array of characters possible. I didn't realise that I was jumping into party night, but here we are. The big man himself, Dean.
You've literally jumped into character night.
I've jumped straight into character night.
25 different characters here, and you and me didn't get that memo.
We're trying to figure out what we're going to dress up as. Like, what can we do? Fishing overalls or...
Well, I'm pretty sure the theme's Hollywood.
Oh, Hollywood.
Yeah, so we're not off to a good start.
What if we just put our hats backwards? Anyway, I don't know what's in store for tonight, but everyone's having a quick little fish here. I've just arrived. I haven't checked in yet.
Big bust ups out the front.
Big bust ups. That looked amazing. Is that Forrest Gump?
I think so. Yeah.
Forrest Gump. I reckon his password to his computer is OneForest1.
Yes, but just he.
All right.
Where did he go? Where did he go? He's cranking. Let's have a sleep there, Dave.
Big bluefin coming in, eh?
Yeah, right. It's coming, mate. Car, where's it? Next car.
So the crazy thing about this island is that the continental shelf is a mere 400 metres away from where we are at the moment. Drops off to 300, 400 metres. This island is perfectly positioned for everything game fishing. Yellowfin, topwater bangers. What else have you been getting those last couple of days?
Just everything, all types of reefy. Like you can jig from 20 meters to 120 meters, and you just fish wherever.
That's epic.
It's like all different types of fishing within a couple of 100 meters of each pop itself.
Yeah. Well, I've got it out of my system. I'm ready for a couple of beers and to turn that thing off. Let's get fishing.
Stick in your head.
Oh. No, get him up.
Fish. Good fish, bro. Oh.
Bugger. As soon as we pulled up to this spot, that first cast, that was unreal. Just saw him shoot across from this bommy here. Just absolutely whack it. That's my first bluefin trevally. Nice start to the trip. That's epic, eh? Little sticky. Such a beautiful colour on him too. Just insane colour. Hear that grunt, hear that groan. He matches my pen shirt and Dean loves it. Tomorrow. Nice little bluey. It's on the stick bait. Loved it.
Cloud 9 in the background.
Yeah, boy. Straight to the bar.
Get to the bar.
Oh, yeah. Big buster. Big
You've got this, brother. Come on.
Come on. There's a big fish, bro.
Hell yeah, buddy.
Big fish, bro. I would skip up. That's a good fish, bro. Come on. It's a good fish.
Fat
Boy, what do you reckon,
Fat boy. I reckon that's 10, 15. I reckon that's 15.
What do you reckon, Luca? What does it get?
Bro, that's
Let's
unreal.
put him back in. I don't get much bigger than this.
That's unreal.
Let's get this thing back in. You ready?
3,
Bro, this is amazing.
3,
This
2,
is so amazing.
1, go. Oh! Brother! Oh, right behind me. Oh! Yeah, Gino! Yeah, buddy. Hell yeah.
Big bluey.
That is a big bluey.
You like
Well
that?
done. On that popper
Look how big it
too.
is.
He loved it. 3, 2, 1.
Let it go.
Still hitting. You're still hitting it. Look. Got him. That's a good fish, bro. That's a fucking bro. Oh! This thing's big. Oh! Here he is, bro. The old stripey slash strikes again. Catching sharks in Fiji. Hold on, just chuck ready. Hold the rod. Where's the drag up? Alright, well, we managed to get the jig back. Look at the bend in it.
It's a bend.
Yeah, it's bent.
So you're laughing at the same time?
That just went off like a frog in a sock.
Yeah.
That was gnarly too, because when he was tapping at it, he was following it for ages, just going bat, 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 until I hooked him perfectly.
It would have been bits of him
Just-
hitting it.
yeah. And he lives to another day. You guys didn't see on camera then, but he actually had another shark hook and a wire trace in him, so it's not his first encounter. And he's gonna keep going. You wanna grab the gaff just in case? All right, we've been dropping for days. We're finally onto a fish. Hopefully it holds. Only on 80 pound with our paternosters, but this has got a good fight. Good fight. Almost got a kilo of lead on it, so could be a decent fish. You!
Gold band.
Gold band snapper! You beauty! How's that? Not a bad little fish. As you saw in that video then, he just stopped fighting on the way up. And that's because his bladder's just popped. So we're finally on the board this morning.
Yeah, let's get a few more of them, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, boy! Alrighty, we're on the board with a pretty decent fish now. The conditions today haven't been very good for us at all, but might do one more drop. We're almost out of baits. The first little rope too. Beautiful little creature. These colours. Unreal. The electric reel got us there. Fish on the board today at least. Table fish, let's go. Get the gaff ready, bro.
Oh, what is it? It's red. I think it's red, bro.
It is. Oh, it's only a baby.
It's alright.
I think Luca's just hooked up to a good fish.
Good fish, Luca.
That is a good fish.
Maybe drop Mills to the bottom.
Yeah, we'll in a sec.
Maybe a shark.
Yeah, it might be. Oh, you got off. You snapped a brick. After beating ourselves up in the wind, deep dropping for a couple of days, we decided to come home with a bang and punish the rest of our remaining jigs. And this is what happened. Oh. Straight onto an iron jaw this morning. Beautiful. What is that? Zoe. Come on, mate. Beautiful.
I remember to ask you guys, but you guys
Nice little coro. I'm big.
Yeah, it's big.
Oh, Trev dog.
Trip. Right up here.
Wait, wait. No, don't drag it in. Don't drag it in. Don't drag it in. There you go. You're good. You're good now.
Chino!
Oh, it's actually good. Oh, silver. Oh, you just got it then. Oh, you just got it. Yeah. Yeah, yep. Color silver. Oh, quick, quick. Yeah, nice. Whoa. Do you want me to throw a decoy to him? Quick, quick, quick. He's not on it, he's not on it. Quick, quick, quick. Oh, the boy! Oh, cappuccino! Woo! Oh, Broey!
We got it done.
Broey! Little iron jaw. That was a bit of a fast retrieve through that too, and the shark was right up our butt. I'll manage one as well. Happy bloody days. Get a little photo and we'll see if we can do it again. Just gotta keep beating that shark, eh? Double. Mine's pretty good. Nice little iron jaw again on the 80 gram jig. Sexy little thing.
sexy.
Sexy. Down to 2 jigs. Oh, I lost it. I said I'm down to 2 jigs left and then bam. And I lost the jig too. That is a good one. That take was pretty nice.
I think we might need to push back into 6 feet, get away from all this bait.
Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So how long have you been a fisherman for? Been doing this long?
Dino's got chop.
Hey, Chino! Capadino! Kiss it. Just quickly, I know it's windy and it's hard to hear, but a massive thanks to Namotu for having Dean and I this week. Well, that was a pretty sick Arvo session, Dino. Made it happen on the jigs, eh? Got it done. We're a bit worried after this morning, but we've got a nice feed.
The restaurant is eating.
The restaurant's eating. We're happy. Plenty of bait for tomorrow for our deep drops. Coronation trout and the iron jaw as well. Got to be happy. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Let's go to the pub. All right, we're gonna knock off and have a beer. And today's been a good day.
Hey, Wallaby Dick, thanks very much for sticking around for the full episode. If you enjoyed it, smack that like button, show your support, and drop a comment down below what your favourite moment was of the video. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. See you in the next one.